Yes, you are welcome. We are still continuing to look at the properties of modulus is what we are continuing with in this session today. We looked at part A last time. Let us look at part B today, and we said that Z1 then times Z2 will always be equal to Z1 bar, then Z2 what? Z2 bar. We can prove this in this case. Let Z1 to be equal to X plus X1, Y1, I. Then Z2 to be equal to X2 plus Y2 what? I. We are saying that X1 bar, people should know this, that it is that. Then Z2 bar, it should be noted that it is X2 squared plus Y2 what? Squared. Now when you are there, we are saying that if you want Z1, Z2 is equal to X1 plus Y1 I, then times X2 plus Y2 what? I, which is X1, X2 plus X1, Y2 I, then plus X2, Y1 I, then this is minus Y1, Y what? Y2, X1, X2 minus Y1, Y2, then plus X1, Y2 plus X2, Y1, then I. So when you reach there, you see that this is Z1, Z what? Z2. So Z1, Z2 magnitude will be now the real part and the imaginary part, X1, X2, Y1, Y2, and you put a what? Square plus X1, X2, Y2 plus X2, Y1, then square, then you put a root there. So you continuously expand this one. When you multiply it twice, it will be X1 squared plus, X2 squared minus, this is 2, X1, X2, Y1, Y1, Y2, then lastly plus Y1 squared, then Y2 squared. Then this one is the X1 squared, then Y2 what? Squared, plus this is the 2, X1, Y2, X2, Y1. When you expand that, then lastly X2 squared, then Y. This is Y1 squared, and you put a what? A root. So in that case, we are saying that this one equals, you get this part here and this part here. When you compare, you see that this one can go and we remain with this and this one. That is X1 squared, X2 squared plus X1 squared, Y2 squared. Then plus we have Y1 squared, Y2 squared, and X2 squared, Y1 squared. This is the one we are having at the moment, and we are saying that this one is now, when you look at this is X1. When you look at this one and this one, X1 squared is common. We leave this one into bracket. Then here we are saying Y1 squared is common. We remain with X2 squared plus Y2 squared. The whole of this one is still in the root. So X1 squared plus Y1 squared, and then X2 squared plus Y2 squared in the what? In the root. Simplify this, and we are saying that this is X1 squared plus Y1 squared, then root of X2 squared plus Y2 what? Y2 squared. When you look at this one alone, this one, you remember what we wrote here? We wrote something here and also something that we wrote where? We just forgot this, and we say that that one is a what? That one is a root in that case. So when we are having that one there, we are saying that this is Z. We had forgotten this root here. So we are saying that this one and this is our Z1 bar, then Z2 what? Z2 bar. So that's Z1, then Z2. We say that hence what? Hence proved this in this case. So that's the second property. We shall continue from there when we meet again. I wish you the best.